Am I the only one who didn't know the crazy history behind coffee makers? Let's dive in. Coffee brewing dates back to ancient times with the first documented use in the 15th century in the Arab world. But the coffee maker we use today has a more recent history. The first drip coffee maker was patented in 1954 by the Swiss inventor Alfred Jurgens. It used a filter system to brew coffee, which was a revolutionary improvement over earlier methods like boiling. Here's a fun fact. The invention of the drip coffee maker led to the creation of the first automated coffee machine, paving the way for the modern coffee makers we use today, including single-serve machines like Keurig. So, next time you brew your coffee, remember, it's a result of centuries of innovation. From ancient brews to the convenient machines we have now,